Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. Just an update. I've got my other 5 upgrade kits in from on the OmniaDrop, so I can do all of mine, convert them to the V2.1. So when I get done, I'll have 10 of them. Somebody asked, well, why do you have 10? You only have 5 printers. Well, I like to have some spares. Plus, I'm going to put .025 nozzle, and I've got 2 of those then, and then I'm going to possibly try either a .4 or a .5 in the other one. Pretty much I have .4 and everything right now. And the upgrade process is pretty simple. Take one of the original ones apart and then just put everything back into the new kit, and it's ready to go. So these are already done, and these also have the exchange on them. Those are pretty easy to do. And this one I built for the rat rig, so it'll be able to be swapped in and out on the rat rig. And what I did is I have different wiring on it, so it still connects. Some of the things I'm working on, a friend of mine, Steve Bailey, asked me to make some coins for veterans. So this is my first good one that came out, and it was pretty interesting. But I'm using a .25 nozzle on it, trying to get the detail on the text down, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. So I'm printing another batch of them, and tell you the problem with the .25 nozzle is it jams awfully easy. I was trying to get a little fancy and use some glue that had speckles in it or something. I think that jammed the nozzle up, so ended up having to put a new nozzle in it. But that's going pretty well. And so all the other ones, I'm printing lamp covers for my daughter and son-in-laws. They got some hanging Edison lamps outside. So these are going to be a natural filament, or sort of a clear red. And then this is the token coin, thank you for your service coins. And these are some more of the green lamp covers. But so I've got all these modified to the V2 ones, and they're working really well. So I like that they're a lot smaller side to side. And it's helped me a lot with the Easy Able on. But it's a challenge to keep 4 of these things running. Everybody says I could make the rat rig go faster, but then I just have more things to try to accomplish at once. But it's gone pretty well. And I'll try to show you what these look like later on. But got 4 of them running. I haven't even gotten to the one with the box, the enclosure. I use it so very rarely. It's difficult to work with. But getting there with my cabinets, put another one up, and if I can get some help from my spouse, it will really help clean this up. But thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, I know a number of people ask about the OmniaDrop, and you know, it's not something for a beginner. It's something that if you decide you want to try to print everything there is, it gives you a good start on, especially flexible filaments. And the upgrade kit's pretty easy. I'm not saying you need to do it, but it does give you some advantages. Thanks for watching.